Today we're going to remove the battery from a 2010 Honda Pilot. The tools that you're going to be needing will be a trim tool removal and a size 10 socket. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and use the trim tool removal to remove these retainer clips that are right here. Just be careful not to break them. And there it is. Just pull that out. And it already has a little storage compartment right there for you. Perfect. Same thing with this one. And set that one to the side as well. Let's go ahead and remove this intake inlet. Set that on the floor. Now we have access to our battery. Alright, so using the size 10, we're going to go ahead and loosen up this battery bracket. Just enough to be able to unlatch it. I'll do this one a little bit more. And might need both hands. There it is. Got it out. Bring this up. Swing this over. Oh, there. It came off. Anyways, there's the latching point here, and there's also a latching point in the rear. Now let's go ahead and remove the negative terminal. I'm using power tools because I know how to use my power tools, but I don't suggest using power tools because they're a little too strong. But I'm using it because I know when to stop. So let's go ahead and remove the positive and go ahead and set that to the side. Let's go ahead and remove this battery cover. And our battery is ready to come out. Go ahead and use both hands. Alright, and there it is. And that is how you remove a battery from a 2010 Honda Pilot. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.